Ay, hindi ko pala na-record. Hi everyone! Silverio Boco is going to catch crab this morning. Right, darling?
Yeah, loser.
Ah, he's a loser, he said that.
Yeah, loser, mama.
Ah, sungit ng baby. And also ugly.
Go away.
Yeah, I'm going to buy new baby. More handsome. More cute and more sweet. Not like this baby. I don't like this baby anymore. I'll buy a baby in Amazon. Amazon and where can I buy baby, anak? In malls and grocery store. How? There's a baby there. I'll buy them. Huh?
Your dog.
I'll buy baby there. Very cute babies. A lot of very cute baby there.
Your dog. Gosh, can have nothing, baby.
Yeah, there's a baby there. They sell baby. I'll buy baby there.
They're good skipping rocks. I'm good skipping rocks.
You're good in catching crabs, right?
No, I'm not.
Ah, you're not. Okay, you're good in eating crabs.
No, I'm not.
And what are you good on?
I'm good skipping rocks.
Skipping rocks. What's that?
You have to do
Ay,
rocks
anak, there's a car.
to skip. You have to skip something else. You have to jump a rock, and then the other one, water, and then you have to land that.
Ah, okay. I don't know anything about that. It's all male job. I don't do that.
Me too, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
May mga Pilipino na naman nag-animato.
Paano mo nalaman, ma?
Yung dumating kayo ni Anjet, July?
Chicken.
Frozen pa.
Tatlo lang ito eh.
Yung ulam ninyo yun.
Yung tira namin ni Terde. Hindi namin naubos. Kasi nalo ko yan sa noodles.
Ang kinain nyo nung nakaraan, yung pansit.
Yes.
Bagay, may gulay yun. Lalagyan mo lang ng gulay ulit.
Hindi ko nga naubos pa yung gulay sa loob, nakalimutan ko. Nagluto lang ako ng hamburger dagdag. Pansit naman inubos ni Terde.
Oo, yung laman, yung pansit.
Ang kinain ko, ay natira na lang sa akin, yung hamburger. Niente pansit. Inubos ni Bibi. Oh, you help Nono. Wow, ang galing ng baby ko. I will not buy baby anymore because Silverio is enough to catch food for me. No. Galing ng baby ko. Huli daw siya ng crabs.
Ayun, paano napuntahan?
What do I do? Help! Help!
I'm a female. I don't need. I'm not good in catching crab. It's a male job.
Ugly.
Oh, if I'm ugly, you're ugly too. Oh. You came from my pancha. Oh, which pancha did you came from? Which pancha? Ay, this is mine. Ay, papaluin kita.
Bien, Terbi, bien.
I will buy new baby, not this. I'm planning na to buy new baby. This baby, makulit na baby.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Gusto.
No will buy 30. Sungit ng baby ko. Wala daw ako silbi, mama. Hindi daw ako nagka-catch ng crab. I'm female, no? Why would I catch crab? It's your job. You're male. I only eat crabs. I don't catch.
Hindi natin pasasakayin si mama ng barka.
Hindi, wala daw silbi si mama niya. Hindi nagka-catch ng crabs.
Si mama niya ang bibili ng barka para kay Nono.
Paano hindi pasasakayin?
Loko tong anak ko. Wala daw ako silbi. Ang galing ng baby ko. Naghahanap siya ng ipong tatali. Talaga namang male na male. Don't scared me. I'm scared, oh. No, Silverio scared me. Sungit nito. Pamimigay kita. I give you to somebody.
My weapon. I kill you.
Atento.
Ugly mommy. A buffet.
What will you do? And then when there's a crab, what should I do? Anak. You know. How can I catch it? I'm scared. You catch it for mommy.
You touch it.
I touch it?
Yeah, let me know.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
And they run in your face and they're so happy.
Why will the crab grow in my face?
Oh, because up you and grab your feet and then.
Bonano. May nahuli daw sila. Nagalaw na. You help Nono, anak? Wala. Nakain yung ano?
Bumitaw. Maliit lang ito. Meron maliit.
Yan. Ready na yan. Panghuli ng pugita.
Meron, pape?
Oh, chair.
Ayun, meron. Maliit lang.
Ayos na yan.
Okay na.
Yaka.
May panghuli na kami ng
Pag malaki, pampasta. Pag maliit, pampain.
Oo.
Yung pampasta.
ito, may pamain na kami. Yan. Ililipat natin yung iba para makahuli. Maka-apat tayo.
Ay, dito siguro sa dulo-dulo, Daddy. Kasi dyan masyado nang maalat ang tubig.
Assistant ng Nono. May assistant ba yan? Parang bodyguard naman yan. May dalang bastoni. Kala mo may kaaway. Siga, baby ko.
Okay na siya.
Watch out, it's dangerous.
Only Silverio can do that.
I catch at Rab's hands.
Yeah. Mommy, no, I'm scared. Super
Look at our
scared.
baby.
Ayan, maliit lang.
Pero,
Pero,
bono
pang
na.
ano na namin to, pamain.
Kumali.
Ay, wag mo ilagay yan, anak. Dirty. Dirty.
Gasan pa lang ni Nono yung ano crab.
Dad, I want to go away. Goodbye. This one, I do this.
There's another one. Another crabs.
And wait, grab, wait.
Hindi na sila pag ano,
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tira.
Tira.
Oh, meron. Sige. Tira.
uta mo yung stick mo, Bibi, para wala kang hinahawakang iba.
No.
Sige, tira.
May sarili siyang style, no, na.
Naku, bumitaw.
Si,
That's
sundan mo pa ba?
fine. And while catching apple pools, we're always catching crabs.
Silverio. Andyan.
Maliit na naman.
Okay yan. Kasi pang ano mo naman pang octopus. Bravo, Teddy.
Wow, bravo, baby. Galing ng baby na yan. Ay! Ungit ikaw, ah. I will buy new baby. More handsome, more cute. Kalit. Hinapon yung kanyang stick. I'll buy baby in Amazon.
Like you, and this one like you.
Ano kaya look like me?
It's ugly like you.
They look like you, not me. I'm beautiful.
Look.
Wow, look like Silverio. Very cute crabs.
I kill you. I cut your face.
Is somebody want to buy this baby? I'm selling this baby. How much are you? Aray! No na, oh. Papaluin kita. Sige ka. Sungit-sungit ikaw.
Bibi, magkaiba sila ng kulay ng kamay. Yung isa blue, yung isa may pula.
And there's a lot of type ng crabs, mama. Oo.
Pag nandito ka na sa dagat.
Oo nga.
Mainit nga kumpara mo doon. Sa atin, malamig.
Ay, sa bahay mainit. Ay, malamig.
Napalipas lang ng oras, tapos uwi na. Sa bahay, kakain, hindi matutulog na. Gagawin. Kaysa naman lagi kang nakatunganga.
Meron na naman, Papa?
Hilahin natin. Bibi, hila o. Parang meron. hindi nakuha.
Escape daw. The crab has run away. Oh,
And
be.
that rat see your face, and then super ugly, and it ran away.
Yeah, he gets scared of your face.
But you're both foot ugly.
Dalawa ito, bakit hindi na siya
Take this.
Now baby Turdy is hungry. He need to eat daw. Is this mine? Ah, sorry. It's belong to the baby Turdy. Baby Silverio. Not to the mommy of Silverio.
Sige, sa'yo na lang.
Sa kanya lang daw yan, Nona.
Sa'yo lang yung plato pala, isa lang. Sa katipira ni Nona. Kasi akala ko dalawa yun.
Sa kanya lang, only for him daw yan. Babeni, only yours.
Mas maganda yata doon tayo sa ano eh. Yung sino mo.
Oo, sa may simento.
Have one.
Sa may batuhan, Dad. Oo.
Diba, nice eating, darling. Tama na yung cellphone mo, mamaya ka na mag-cellphone.
Lagay mo muna yung cellphone mo sa ano kasi mahuhulog yan sa ano.
Lagay mo dito, oh.
Yun muna siya. Proba lang
O
muna
sige,
dyan.
may tikwa. Manonood ka?
Yan, oh, you can watch. So, while you're eating.
Pero wag mong bibitawan.
I have boots. So my foot will get broken. Boots hands.
Tatalian ko na lang.
Don't be too near anak ko, Nono. May kultelo si Nono. You might get hurt. Itong baby ko eh, makulit na baby. Ah, can I see? Ang gagawin mo dyan pa, pang paeng?
Papain niya sa kagita.
Ah, now we have to catch octopus.
Dumugo.
Nice. Nasugatan si Papa.
Saan yan?
Sa kultelo?
Hindi,
Ay.
dito sa crabs.
Sa crabs? Ah, kinagat ikaw, Papa.
No, I'm not running.
I'm not trying. Be careful, Silverio. The crab might
Last
bite
time,
you.
Ryan is got hurt right here. I got hurt.
With the crabs?
Yeah.
Ah, the crab bite you also?
No, that's
Atento,
her
ha?
hands. Mommy, that's her hands.
Go. Oh. Ano?
Go away.
May octopus ba dito, Papa? May octopus dito?
Hindi dito, doon sa dagat.
Ah, doon sa dagat.
Did you know that?
I don't know that. I'm not good catching.
I'm going to eat one. So last time I'm here, I catch a bigger one, super big.
Wow, super
I catch
big. Bigger than you? The crabs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bigger my feet.
Bigger than your feet. My goodness, very big nga
Yeah.
yung crabs.
I catch it.
Wow,
Baby,
bravo,
I catch
baby.
it. I remember that last time.
Atento ha, may kultelo. Oh, Silverio.
Ah, yeah. I think I let my feet.
Mm.
Oh, Terdy.
Ay, eat na. Oh, no, na-prepared your food.
Yeah.
Mm.
Pinahaba niya kasi kulang. Ilagay niya na lang ng tinapay. Nabubuhay na.
Binata na yan eh. Nagtatagal, may papakilala na yung girlfriend.
Ubus ko na yung aking spaghetti, kulang pa. Adora, lagyan mo na lang ng tinapay.
Sabi niya?
Para mayroon sa saya akong tinapay. sayang naman, masisira.
Mhm.
Bagong luto eh, pag nagtagal, sira.
I don't need
Wag,
it.
wag, wag!
Oy, Silverio! Masubsub ka sa...
At saka nababasa ka, oh.
Oh!
Dudumihan na yung jacket mo.
Mama! Mama! Mama, my bulletini! Go away!
Oh, I'm scared. Don't touch me, ha?
Mama, my bulletini! Go away! I'm so happy.
Ah.
My bulletini is so...
No, 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 no.
Ah.
My bulletini.
Yeah, it's gone.
Mama, what's that red?
It's crab bite.
Ano eh?
What's that?
Nothing. It's normal. It's your blood, the veins. It's normal. There's nothing.
No.
But daw, why there's a red, red daw yung kanyang hand. Eh, because you're alive. You're not dead.
I'm dead. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go God.
Hmm?
May nalalaman na siyang
Kasi kabis nono niya.
Lagi nasa ano eh.
Ba't ano yung best nono niya?
Help Nona! Help Nona!
Nakakyat na si Nona.
Oh, you help Mommy! Thank you, baby. No, now I'm good. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Ciao, ciao. We changed location now. Now we're going to catch us octopus.
Doon mo, may daanan.
We're done with crabs.
Bibi, tataas mo pa, sisiraan mo.
Ang dami rin nagpi-fishing, ah. Mami, ang baby ko nandoon sa sa rocks. Huli talaga siya ng octopus. No, ayoko. Masira yung boots ko. Yeah. I can go walk there. They're catching squid. Bibi and Suanono. Yeah. Ciao, baby.
Guarda, fermi un attimo. Aspetta un attimo.
Bibi, mahulog ikaw. Mama mia, mia bimbo. Pag ikaw nahulog, papaluin kita. May nahuli na silang pugita. They already catch octopus. Now they're going home na. Let's see. Ay, misakitan to mama. Grosso yung busta. Ang laki ng busta oh. Ha? Crabs lang?
No, hindi. Sihi.
Sihi? Patingin papa?
Dito.
No octopus?
Kala ko octopus na.
Panyente. At least meron.
I like it.
Ang dami rin.
Yung malalaki yan?
Halo-halo.
Sandali. Okay.
Halo-halo. May malaki, may mali. Tinansya ko lang. Kapaunti lang. Eksakto lang pang natin.
Pangkain?
Pang pasta.
Pang pasta?
Gusto mo makita? Ayan.
See. Kahit isa lang. Yan.
Mama mia, lalaking sihi yan.
Ayan. Listo.
Hindi mo pa kaya yan, bibi, matigas yun.
What's that?
Shell.
For what?
For eating. You put it in the pasta.
Bono yan sa pasta, bibi. Meti.
May tila dentro na anak. Don't fight ko it's not sassy.
Oh,
It's
yung
not
mata mo. Jenny, yung mata mo, bibi.
Dirty yung eyes mo anak, sabi ni Nona. Day.
Halika. Day, halika dito. Day, Jenny. Halika.
He's still alive. It's still moving. Oh my God. Silverio, may kultelo si Nono mo.
I know. I'm not scared like you. But you're like a baby.
I'm forever baby of your Nono.
Huh?
Huh?
Ugly.
Ugly. You're ugly too. If I'm ugly, ugly ka rin.
Yung kanyang hawak, iwan. Ang laki pa naman ito.
Loko-loko kang bebe ka.
Gusto niya gumapang. Hindi naman niya katulad na alimasag. May kikwala ko pero.
Now we're going home na, Bibi. You salute na. Bye-bye. We're going home.
Magsi-cellphone ka na.
Ayan.
Ano yun, Pape? Yung kanyang stick. Bamboo stick. Ikakat na ni Pape. Ay, nauuwi mo yan, Papa? Pareho? Sa bagay. Kaysa naman ka maghahanap.
Binili ko ito na.
Hungry o angry? Hungry? Okay. Uwi na tayo. Kakain ka na.
I said angry.
Angry. Okay. I thought hungry.
Basura. Yan natin ang basura.
Ay, we go na. Nono is ready na.
Okay, Mama, add rocks on your face and also your phone.
Huh? Sige, sisisipain kita.
Opo. Hindi na makaano.